So Rob, good to see you. Tell me about the college's involvement then in this Marches Education Partnership. How did it come about?
This has all came about on the back of the LSIP programme, which has been running for a few years now, a major initiative from the government to engage employers to find out exactly what employers need. So
Local Skills Improvement Plan, is that right?
Local Skills Improvement Plan, yep, then that's it. So a huge initiative to engage employers to find out exactly what employers are needing, what skills development requirements they've got, what staff upskilling requirements they've got. Once the initial LSIP phase was completed, it then moved into the LSIF, the Local Skills Improvement Fund. This is when the government made available a pot of money that colleges could apply for to then realise the needs of the employers. They encouraged collaboration throughout all of this. So the college came together with two other colleges, so Shrewsbury College and Hereford and North Ludlow College, along with some small independent providers. And through that we formulated plans based on the LSIP, the outcome from the initial consultations, and we proposed a number of courses and strategic plans going forward that would meet the needs of our employers in our local area.
And it's all about skill shortages and where they are the most potentially damaging to business, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely, that's exactly what it is. For any number of years, colleges have been fantastic at delivering training. And we deliver lots of training, 16 to 18-year-old training. We deliver a lot of apprenticeship training. And a lot of these are mandated courses, so they are government funded, they're approved for funding through the government, and they meet larger strategic goals. This was really about talking to employers to find out day to day, what is it that you've got, what is your problems, what would you need us as a college to provide to you to fill up gaps in the skills of your employers.
Were you surprised at any of the findings or not, or is it what you'd have expected to hear?
Well, the great thing about the college is we have got some fantastic employer hubs, and I've been running the engineering employer hub now for about 3 years. So it was very much what our employers were telling us. Now, that is why we deliver the full-time courses we do, and it's why we deliver the apprenticeship standards that we do, because that is what we've been told by the employers they need. So it's the maintenance, that we deliver maintenance to the full-timers, because a lot of our employers require maintenance. We deliver electronics to our full-time students because lots of employers say they require skills in electrical electronics. So it wasn't a great surprise. So it was really good to know that what we were doing anyway was aligning with our employers. But this gives us an opportunity now to target adults and currently employed people and deliver the skills that they require.
Excellent. And we're here in the Discovery Centre, which is sort of engineering hub of the college, isn't it? Right. Which I guess is where most of the programmes on this latest phase are going to be delivered. Do you want to just run through with us some of the latest programmes that will be starting soon?
Yeah, sure. So the LSIF 1, as we call it, that's based on the advanced manufacturing and automation stage. So that will, as you say, that will be delivered predominantly here in the Discovery Centre. So part of the LSIF grant funding we've received is we will be doing a major redevelopment project on this. So we will be redeveloping this whole area, knocking down walls, enlarging the space, buying new equipment. So £600,000 worth of investment to redevelop and buy the latest state-of-the-art equipment, which will feed in exactly to the automation requirements of our employers.
And the specific programmes that are going to be delivered. And in fact, you've got a new prospectus, haven't you, that's just come out, which we'll have a little look at in a minute. And a lot of it's mentioned in here, isn't it? It's very much around electrical engineering, isn't it?
Well, as I touched on a minute ago, the majority of our employers in this region, we engage with them, food and drink manufacturers, and they require maintenance personnel. So our apprenticeship standard is focused on maintenance. So we've got 4 major streams within this first project. All of them are geared towards maintenance technicians and finding the gaps in those maintenance technicians' training and upskilling. So focusing on mechanical devices, electrical devices, so highly important for maintenance engineers, focusing on automation, so programmable logic controllers, PLCs, and then things like electronics and electrics for maintenance engineers. So yeah, our focus is on those maintenance engineers, those maintenance technicians, and providing them the skills required to be able to be more effective and more efficient in their workplace. So
are a lot of these short, sharp courses rather than lengthy ones?
That's right. A big part of our employer feedback through our engineering hubs was like a lot of the training we deliver, a lot of it was too long. So 36 weeks, 1 day a week, it's a big commitment to an employer to give up their workforce to come to college. So these programmes are all designed on very short courses. None of them are more than 6 hours long, so 1 day, designed to be selected as required. So it could be that employee A only has a requirement to do one of the PLCs. They already have a basic understanding, they want the intermediate PLCs, that's the one that they have to do. Whereas employee B may have no understanding of PLCs whatsoever. So they will come in, they will do the PLCs basics, then the intermediate, all the way through to HMI, so human machine interfaces, and do the whole gamut, the whole range of the 4 courses. So it's purely whatever the employer and employee require out these courses, they can drop in and drop out as they need to.
And who can qualify for this? Is it just people in Telford and Wrekin or Shropshire, and you have to be in work or out of work? How does it?
So at the moment it is for people who are employed, but however there's a number of different funding streams available through the course. So we could tap into things like adult education budget. So there's any number. So as it stands at the minute for this first period, it will be employed people who meet the requirements of the funding.
When do the first programmes in this tranche start then?
So we will be starting like a kind of soft rollout, so like a fact-finding gathering exercise in about the next month. So we'll be running some courses with small amounts of people on to get feedback from the employers to find out what works well, what doesn't work so well, to give us a time to fine-tune, with a view that from September 2024 we'll be able to run out the full set of 16 courses for employers to book their employees onto.
So most importantly of all then, Rob, where do people go to find out more information, and what should they do if they're interested?
So best place to go is the Marches Education Partnership website. So that's the website has got all the information for all the courses from all the partners on it. So it's a one-stop shop for anybody who's interested to go on, look at the courses, and they can register interest right now. They can also get information at any of the college open days. We'll have the literature available, so come along to the college or go to the college website, and we often have rolling news on the website which will be able to link through to these courses.
Excellent. Exciting times then, Rob, yeah?
Yep, fantastic. It really is. As I say, we're very good at delivering courses to 16 to 18-year-olds. We're very good at delivering apprenticeship. This is giving us a real chance to deliver exactly what employers need in this region to upskill their workforce.
Great to see you. Thanks for your time.
No problem, Carl. Thank you.